Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore a powerful technique in InDesign, creating visually striking titles using nested styles. Look at this title, Discovering Serenity in Mountain Gateways. Notice how Discovering Serenity is in a smaller font size and Mountain Gateways is larger and bolder. This creates a visual hierarchy and draws the reader's eye to the keywords. Creating this look might seem complex, but we can achieve it easily using nested styles. If you are new to nested styles, I highly recommend checking out my previous tutorial on mastering nested styles in InDesign. It provides a comprehensive overview of this powerful technique. Link is in the card on top of this video and below in the description. Nested styles allow you to combine multiple character styles within a single paragraph or even a single word. This gives you incredible flexibility and control over your typography. Let's break down how this title was created. Let me first remove the paragraph style applied to this title. If you look at the character panel, you will see the title actually uses two underlined character styles, one for Discovering Serenity and another for Mountain Gateways. Let's recreate this. Create a new character style and name it Title Smaller. Open the Character Styles Options dialog box. Apply the following settings. Font Adobe to black. Font size 26 points. Color dark green. Now, create a second character style and name it Title Larger. Let's open Character Styles Options dialog box. Apply the following settings. Font Adobe to black. Font size 36 points. Color dark green. Click OK. Finally, let's create the main title paragraph style. You need to open the paragraph styles panel. To do that, go to Window, Styles and choose Paragraph Styles. Shortcut key is F11. In the Paragraph Styles panel, create a new style. In the Drop Caps and Nested Styles section, look below at Nested Line Styles. Create Nested Line Style by clicking on New Line Style. Select Title Smaller as the character style. I'm going to leave this to 1 line. Now create one more nested line style. Select Title Larger as the character style. I'm going to leave this to 1 line as well. Click OK. And there you have it. We have successfully recreated the visually appealing title using nested styles. This technique offers incredible flexibility and allows you to create complex typography effects with ease. Experiment with nested styles to explore their full potential. This powerful technique will elevate your InDesign typography to new heights. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at jawadsoomro1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Jawad Soomro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Jawad Soomro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.